Today I'm going to be getting a haircut with my friend Mondo. Mondo knows exactly what he's doing because he's been cutting hair for some time now. So today he's going to be helping me explain exactly how to ask for my haircut.
He's asking for a taper. We're only going to cut right here to keep that natural messy look and keep the bulk around here. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So as you guys can see, I made this little thing. It's called the C cup. So when you go to your barbers, you might want to ask them to keep that C cup. I know a lot of barbers, when they do tapers, they don't keep that and they make the fade a little bit higher.
When it comes to any haircut, the little details can go such a long way. And it could honestly be the difference between you getting a good haircut or a bad one. And that's exactly what Mondo's going to be helping us ask for, those little details that can make your haircut that much better. On top of that, there's a few extra things that I like to include in my haircuts to make them look that much better. Of course, I always ask to keep the bulk because I personally like the look of a little bit longer hair and somewhat medium length hairstyles. So that's why I always prefer that the low taper be blended into the longer hair on top, and Mondo does a really good job of doing that. So as you can see, the taper is very low and Mondo stops digging into my hair with the clippers and instead is using a comb so that way we can keep the bulk on the back. And honestly, when it comes to any type of haircut for me personally, I'm very picky when it comes to the back of my hair because I especially like to have longer hair in the back. In my personal opinion, it just looks the best on me, and that's exactly why I want to keep it like that. Now that's pretty much it for the actual haircut. The only thing that really follows from here are going to be extra things that I like to do on top of my haircut to make them better, like I mentioned earlier, and actually styling my hair. Now the thing is, especially with this kind of hairstyle, styling your hair is very easy, especially if you have the right products, like the one from today's video sponsor, Bloom-On. Now lately from Bloom-On, I've been using two specific products, and that is going to be Cloud Control Hair Oil. This one works really well for conditioning your hair and making my hair that much softer. Now I like to pair that with the Hybrid Cream Clay. Out of all Bloom-On products, this is going to be the most lightest hold with a light medium hold and a matte finish. Now both of those things are the perfect product for a hairstyle like this, because when it comes to a hairstyle like this, you want to leave it as natural as possible, but you still want your hair to have extra texture, which the Hybrid Cream Clay is going to do, and then with the Cloud Control Hair Oil is going to be a lot softer. So I just apply a little bit of both and apply it to my hair, and then from there I have a textured hairstyle with my hair still being left natural and soft. Like I said, those are the ones that I've been using lately, but nonetheless I've used every single Bloom-On product out there, and I can tell you, no matter which one you choose, you could achieve the hairstyle that you want. Another one that I really like is going to be Original by Bloom-On, Monarch Matte Paste. Those are perfect for a more natural finish, but if you want something a little bit stronger, I'll definitely recommend something like the Cavalier Heavy Clay or the 5th Sample Styling Mask Pomade. But either way, no matter what type of hairstyle you're going for, whether you're trying to get the same one that I got or you have your own kind of hairstyle that you enjoy, either way, Bloom-On hair products are going to be the perfect products for any kind of hairstyle out there. So if you want to achieve that perfect hairstyle, make sure to check out Bloom-On and use code Aaron for 10% off.
Okay guys, so we're basically done with the whole fade process. So for the final step, we're gonna apply some enhancement spray. So what that is gonna do is make the fade pop out, make these lines look a little darker.
This enhancement spray is one thing that I've been asking for in my haircuts to make it look that much better. In my opinion, it just makes such a big difference. The next thing that I've been asking for is something that I realize a lot of barbers do, but they charge a little bit extra. And that is going to be doing your eyebrows. Now, I've always wanted to actually do my eyebrows, but I never got into it. And that's because I thought that I had to go to a special place to do that. But now that I come to think of it, most barbers end up charging an extra $5, maybe $10 for this. As you can see, I'm not lying when I tell you it does make a big difference. I like this angle a lot because it shows off my eyebrows and it shows off the actual haircut. Both of them have a huge difference. I do have a before and after of the haircut, but unfortunately I forgot to get a good before and after of my eyebrows. But either way, nonetheless, it is a big difference. And if you're not doing your eyebrows with your barber, at minimum I think you should start asking barbers to see if they even offer that. So that is the before and after of my haircut. Like I said, it is a big difference, along with all the little minor things that I asked for to make that haircut look better. At minimum, you should ask your barbers to try it out to see if you like it for yourself. By the way, ignore the huge pimple that I have on the back of my neck. That was annoying me the entire time, but nonetheless, I had a lot of fun making this video. Again, huge thank you to my boy Mondo. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. The link is going to be in the description, as well as the sponsor of today's video, Bluemon. Like I said, you can check out Bluemon and use code Aaron for an extra 10% off. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, in this channel I simplify men's lifestyle, so make sure to do that. And if you want to see more videos, here are a few that I think could really help you out. Anyways, other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.